Modal verbs. I might. I should. I can. May I? Modal verb is an auxiliary verb that expresses necessity or possibility. Modals. 1. Expressing possibility. 2. Expressing obligation. 3. Expressing ability. 4. Asking for giving permission. Expressing. I might change the world soon. Modals may, might, will. Expressing obligation should be a good leader. Modals should, have to, must. Expressing ability can be anything I dream. Modals can, could. Asking for giving permission, can we save the world together? Modals may, can, could. Any questions? Thank you for listening.